Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by signing into the correct Google Merchant Center account and confirming the feed type because removal steps vary by source. Once done, open All Products to surface the items and note each product's offer ID or ID. You'll need those exact identifiers. Make sure to check whether the product originates from a primary feed, supplemental feed, or content API. This determines whether you edit the feed file, send a delete/remove via API, or pause listings from the source. Act now to target items. You'll next perform the actual removal depending on the feed method. If using a file feed, update or delete the product rows and reupload the file. Setting availability to out of stock temporarily hides it, but removal requires deleting or sending removed. If you use Google Sheets, delete the row or mark availability as removed and allow the next fetch. If you operate the Content API, call product. Delete or patch the product to removed. This is immediate and essential for automated systems. Finally, verify removal by checking diagnostics and filtering for excluded or removed products. It can take up to 24 hours to propagate. Once done, resubmit your feed or trigger the API sync and monitor processing messages so you can correct attribute errors that prevent removal. If a product still appears, make sure it isn't reintroduced by another feed or a linked third-party platform, and confirm you have proper account permissions to remove items. This single check often resolves stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.